This is my 2011 Cat 906H with a Horst 1016 snow wing blade on it. Doing a walk around. I've got lots of requests in, so yeah, this is it. '72 horse Cat diesel. This unit weighs about 13,500 pounds without the blade. Does 35 kilometers an hour. Inside here, got a block point stereo. You got your, this is your transfer case, high and low range, ride control, attachment on and off, auto leveling, electrical to run the blade, heat controls, your rim pull, so if you're doing, like let's say you got a rotary mower hooked up on it, you can have your, use the hand throttle right here, have the motor revs right out, and then this would control your forward speed, so you got your correct amount of flow going to it, right? And over here, this is the blade, so this does left wing, the whole blade, the right wing, and then you use the roller control over here. This is your forward and reverse. So you can see here, if I use that roller, pop that wing open, and then I just hit her over the center, move the whole blade around, go over to the right, do this wing, and with the Cat you can go really slow. You can see how that thing is just barely moving there. That's what's nice about this roller control. It's totally variable. You see it's got 190 hours on it. These are all your light switches, so we just usually go all the way down, turn everything on. See the center pins on there, how beefy they are. Everything about this machine is just massive. Got screw-on couplers, skid steer quick attach, and the blade. Trip edge on the back and on the sides. So yeah, that's my Cat 906H.